Guys, drop shipping can be intense, especially if you're not really sure what kind of niches you're trying to get into and finding products that will actually fit your store. Well, what if I told you you could use Doba and they offer a $1 free trial for 14 days just to go ahead and try it out? I recommend that you jump into the description and try it yourself for free and save you the time. Let's talk about it right now just for a few moments, right? So Doba has 90% stock, US stock, and it's very fast in shipping. They also have a 24/7 dedicated support. So that way, if you run into any snags, they're there to help you 24/7. Now, AI selection, they have around 20 years of data based on this. So that way it's even able to help you even first. But let's talk about listing your products. Now, listing your products can be quite the daunting task. Well, Doba, they have a one-click listing and they give you a real-time inventory. Now, since we're on the edge of talking about different products listings, let's talk about some of the shops and some of the integrations that they have to offer you. Right now, some of those come from Temu, they come from TikTok shops for those who use that, API, eBay, Amazon, Woo as well, Shopify, so many ones, and even Wix as well. So I know some of you actually use Wix. Now, I've used Wix as a beginner, and that's what I use it now as well. So now the US based customer support is a lifesaver for me. Now, just because they're there and I'm based in the US, that's a little bit easier for me to do, but don't fret over it because of the 24-hour support, no matter where you are. Now, they have a one-on-one account managers for you as well. And if you run into those, speak to somebody that's going to help you, right? So around, well, 750,000 or 700,000 different products available right off the bat. So it's really, really cool and really saves you a lot of time as well. Now, if you're new to the drop shipping and you found this video just based because you want to know more about it, they do offer you a $750 academy that you could learn more about drop shipping right if you go ahead and start with the purchase of a quarterly business. Now, speaking about the quarterly business, you probably want to know about some of the pricing. So let's take a look at that right now. So the pricing is very, very flexible. It starts around $23 in a month. It's around, you can save around $3.75. And again, they have that 14-day trial for a dollar. You'll get from here a store integration, one store integration, and you get 31-click product listings. You get the 24-hour support as well. You get the AI store builder, so that way you can get help with that AI for those of you that are tech savvy. They have the AI product finder, which absolutely rocks my world. So you have that, and you get that around 5 times in a month for the basic package. Now they go to $47, the Business Pro, which I highly recommend. The Business Pro is around 166 US dollars. Now you get 5 store integrations, you get 2,500 one-click product listings as well, and you get 5,000 product download manually. You get the Doba FTP server accesses. You get the dedicated account manager with that as well. You get that product finder, that AI product finder, which is 50 times in a month, and the auto lister, which is 100 auto listers. Now, they have an enterprise as well. Now, it's only monthly and annual available for that, but you get unlimited everything for that. So, except for the product finder, you get 100 times the AI auto lister, 200 auto listings, and 15,000 inventory list capacity for that. So that saves you a lot right off the bat, right? Now, all of their products are actually data-driven product selections, so that way you could use their expert created AI powered tools and pick some of the best products that actually guarantee your store to be successful. Now they have the smart price and inventory monitoring, which really, really saves you a lot of time. So that way you're going to be able to stay competitive with that automated price and stock updates. Now that is an absolute headache trying to manage that by yourself. So Doba is going to take care of that for you as well. Now they have the full integrations as well with those leading platforms. So that way you can actually connect very easily with the major retail platforms and use the enterprise resource planning system. So all of it's going to come to one hub. Now, when you're doing drop shipping, you probably have like 1,000 tabs open, your computer runs slow. You can do it all right here off the bat. Right. So, like I said, some of the integrations, Shopify, Wix, you have the TikTok shop, you have eBay, Shift4Shop as well. And they even have some really cool resources. Right now, we were already talking about the Doba Academy. Now they have the dropshipping blog. You can go and stay updated and read some of that. that they have for some of those. You can even be a supplier, for example. So you can actually join Doba and connect with millions of other retailers as well. They even have an affiliate program. So perhaps you want to earn some rewards by referring people to Doba as well. And they have a retailer API. So that way you can integrate your store more easily with those powerful APIs as well. Now, we were talking about the products and the integrations that they have. It's really going to save you a lot of time and a lot of the headache that it comes along with dropshipping in general. So that way you don't have to take all of these tasks on yourself. Doba's going to be able to do it for you as well. And if you're based in the US, they have those US suppliers. Now, you know that as far as getting those products shipped to the US, it can be kind of a headache as well. You're going back and forth with customs. Well, being a US supplier, that's going to save you a lot of time as well. And it saved me a lot of the headache because, it's staying on my phone 24/7, just trying to manage my store with the products that are coming over from China, they're coming over from Europe, from those retail stores. That was a bit of a headache. And I found myself having, less time with my family. I had myself less time for enjoyable things that I do. So Doba takes that to the next step, allowing those US retailers to provide that for you as well. So that way you're not having to deal with a whole custom issue. So go ahead and drop in the description below, try out that 14-day for that $1 and start saving time and excel your business to new heights.